Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today we're down Thorntley Dale at Bangers and Cash Live. We were kindly invited down by the Mathewson family to exhibit some of our cars at their show, and given the fact that not so long back they did a wonderful job of helping us out at our classic car show, check out the video in the link below, we were more than happy to come down and show some support. Not that they need any support. Anyway, the stage is set, the cars have turned up in their numbers. Let's take a look around the show.
Myself here today with all these friends. They're all friends of mine, as far as I'm concerned. Yeah. And it's really, really important that everyone gets involved. And we just couldn't involve any more individuals. That's what you're saying, isn't it? And we used to have people come up to me after the auction. It was quite comical, really, because we used to do free tea and coffee and a quid for a roll or something, didn't we, or whatever it was, or give most of it away, to be perfectly honest. And they'd come up to me afterwards, you know, and it's a lot of the older people sit in the front row, take 6 or 7 seats out where there should have been buyers, really, but they would just come for a day, open their own sandwiches and such like in a flask, and they'd come up afterwards and they'd say,
just like this lot here, look.
I didn't know much you were here. I've never seen that. Nice to see, lovely, yeah, same ones. Pre-COVID, we were having meetings with highways, local authorities, police, you name it, because it was becoming obviously quite a problem.
Yeah.
And to a great extent, again, the COVID situation sort of allowed us to sort of throttle back a little bit and shut the doors and experience different sort of things with it online. But the main reason we can't have all you guys down at a sale is literally because of numbers. If we open the door and just said anyone can come, we would have 10, 15,000 people turn up, and we just can't have 15,000 people.
scripts out, watching the show. And after about 3 episodes, I phoned John up and knew and went, "What's this Derek actually like?" Ask the quiet one how he thinks, having a TV programme made about him is. You obviously got an opinion on that.
Yeah, well, the quiet one. Yeah, I don't say a lot, do I really? But, yes, to be honest, Dave has just hit the nail on the head. Really, that is the most bizarre thing. Being recognised, being spotted. Ange and little Kate, they don't like it. You know, you're walking along and people are looking at you, pointing, and all the rest of it. Yeah, there you go, yeah, like that, yeah. But on the upside, of course, we meet lots of lovely people, and generally the feedback is very, very good, and I'm here looking at a sea of people staring at us, expecting us to start dancing or something, and it's lovely, it's great, yeah. So thank you very much, guys, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, there's going to be, so we're on Series 8 and 9 at the moment of Bangers and Cash. Series 8, as you pointed out.
Thank you.
Thank
Yes,
you very much.
Thursday, 8 o'clock yesterday.
8 o'clock,
Yes.
yesterday channel.
Yeah. That's twice now, Dave, wherever you are.
Yeah. Hashtag Bangers and Cash.
That's 20 quid.
Yeah. Each.
Thursday, 8 o'clock, yesterday channel, and then I've been speaking to so many people who watch the repeats as well, but there's going to be loads and loads of new programmes. So Series 8 and Series 9. Series 9 is early next year. Then there's going to be Series 10, Series 11, you can clap, Series 12 and Series 13.
It's not a car programme, it's a programme about people. It's a programme about you guys out there. And without you lot out there, we couldn't do what we do, because
I think that's why it appeals to the wider audience.
Yeah.
Because it's not just car, is it?
No, and
It
it's
is about
stories,
people.
and it's about your stories.
Right, yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
every car that we feature has got some interesting stories, and a lot of the guys here that brought cars today.
So there you have it, Bangs and Cash Live 2023. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching our videos, and keep watching Bangs and Cash. Bye bye now.